Maddie, I have to do this. Please let mommy do this. No, let me. You gotta let me do this. I'm done, I'm off. So my grand entrance didn't work out, but in front of me, you guys may notice that I have the new Halo Xbox. This is the Infinite Edition. I'm so excited about this. And unfortunately, I missed the pre-order window and then was not able to get one because they were all sold out. So I bought this from someone in a parking lot. So the Halo Infinite Edition Xboxes were all sold out, and I found one online. So I'm going to meet this dude in this parking lot. It's still daylight, thankfully, but he wanted to meet in the back. Should we do this, Jen?
Yeah.
Okay, just keep filming, but don't let him know that we're filming, because in case something happens.
All right.
Okay.
Hi.
Yeah, you can check it out.
Wow, it looks so
There it is.
good.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. We're good.
You're
good
okay
with
to do
this?
this?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Do you
Oh, yep. There's nothing else to see here. Nothing else to see. Yep. Move along.
do you need help with that, or?
Yeah, we're good. Nope, nothing else to see here. Nothing else to see.
Is he okay?
Nothing else is in there.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah.
well,
There you are. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Thanks, dude.
All right. I gotta go.
Yeah. See ya. And now we're gonna unbox it. I'm currently home visiting my family, and Jenna's here behind the camera, and my sister's husband also has an Xbox here, so we're all gonna have a Halo LAN party, and I am so excited. Let's unbox. I also wouldn't recommend that you buy things from strangers in parking lots, because that could be potentially dangerous, as I am a trained professional, so don't do as I have done. Like, I can't freaking get this off. Here we go. 20 years. That's so wild. Like, I remember playing Halo for the first time in college, and I was like, what are you guys playing? Let me play. Oh my gosh, I really need a knife. This is not working out. Okay, we're gonna get some scissors.
You gotta save the box.
I know. Maddie, honey, you didn't let me have my warthog entrance. Now you're blocking the shot. Like, what are you doing?
I want to see what's in it.
You want to see what's in here, buddy? Oh, holy moly! Look at this. This is an outer cover. This isn't even the actual thing yet.
I just see dog legs.
Oh, it's a controller. Check this out, dude. Look at this. Look at this. You're gonna see this in mommy's paws for a long time. And see, smell. Here, learn about it. Learn about it. 20 years of Halo, Maddie. Okay, we've got our cables. Anything else in there? Like maybe like a surprise candy bar? I was really hoping for a surprise candy bar. Honestly, that should be like the new norm. Okay, here we go. Now look at this. I even like the outer little paper. It has like little stars on there. Uh-oh. Is the baby coming? Oh, look at this. Wow, look at the inside. It's all blue. Dude, this looks so nice. That's pretty cool. Wow.
Sorry, I told her she could play down for 2 minutes before bath time.
Well,
2 minutes. Oh, you naked baby.
Nakey baby.
Sit.
Brittany, have you ever heard of Halo? The video game that Daddy plays? Does Daddy play video games? Here, Bryn, what is this?
A tool. So broken.
No, there's no batteries in it. Okay,
Broken.
look at that.
Broken.
Yeah, okay, check that out. Like, this thing looks incredible. Man, we are gonna have a time this holiday season.
Mommy.
I like that this is all like etched in too. That's really nice. I love that this inside is blue. Like, obviously if you've seen this before, the inside is green. The child is taking everything off the desk.
I told her 2 minutes.
Celebrating 20 years. Oh man, I'm very excited about this. So I guess basically it's now unboxed. This video has gotten a little silly.
Oh, wow, that's really cool. The blue on the top.
I know. I mean, honestly, like my favorite thing is the inside here, because you can see that normally where this is all green, it's all now like a blue coated color. And the fan. Can you see the fan inside? Like that's also like a black and blue speckled color. This is nice. This is actually really nice. Are you able to see that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Does it make a special sound?
I bet it does. I bet it makes a special sound. I'm hoping we get a special sound.
You didn't press the right button.
What a loser.
You didn't.
No, I didn't. I was the freaking disc eject. What
Yeah, I
an
was like,
idiot.
oh, okay.
That was pretty special. The fan air smells so good. Wow. It's really great. It's like, it smells like 20 years of Halo. You want to smell?
No.
Oh, okay. The offer's still there if you want. Let's plug in this controller. Plug it in? I mean, let's put batteries in it. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. If you guys need me, I'm just gonna be here smelling the fan air out of the Xbox. This is what dogs do.
Jessie sniffing.
I'm Jessie sniffing. Hello. Hi, I'm Cortana. A little touch of Wi-Fi here, a little touch of Wi-Fi there. We got the TV being set up in the back. Brian's on duty.
I think it's plugged in. I can't confirm because I can't see back here.
Can't confirm or deny. We may be playing, we may not be. Oh, should I plug it back in? Okay, wait, I want you to see the fan.
Well, I just see like the blue.
Oh, yeah?
on top. I don't see the fan.
It looks incredible.
You'll see in the shot. Like,
this
you're
is
gonna be like, whoa.
wow. It's beautiful.
Like now you see it. Oh, no, you don't.
Like I totally think that this was definitely worth meeting a stranger and taking this from the back of his car.
Yeah.
Or I had to give him cash, but like.
You should have checked to make sure it was in there first.
You're right. I just gave him money. He looked trustworthy. All right. Well, don't use my judgment. I'm gonna go hook this up and play Halo. So let me know if you guys ended up getting one of these, or if you're playing Halo this weekend, let me know. Maybe you'll see me in the lobby. And if you do, please be nice to me. Be nice to me. But think about fashion. Look at this fashion.